Hello guys, we just checked in Hindustan retreat Varkala. So we'll give you a short room tour. This is the restroom. You can see small restroom. It's a bit clean. Shower area. Mirror. They have locker. I think shoe rack. That's the bed. Another mirror. That's the bed. That's the entry. This is the executive room with balcony. That's a nice sea view. The swimming pool. Sofa. Tea complimentary. Work desk. TV unit. That's pretty much. The balcony is big. You can sit here, enjoy. Hey guys, we are at Hindustan retreat Varkala, and this is the swimming pool. That's the building. And that's the sea beach. You can see that's Hey guys, we are at Varkala and we are just roaming around. It's 5 o'clock around and we'll go to the beach and we'll see some shopping area near to Varkala beach. I know we need to have something also, so stay tuned guys. And that's the Varkala beach. Yeah, so that's the beach you can see, and I think that to that beach we will have some more shopping area. And yeah, so stay tuned guys. It's a walkable distance to the main Varkala beach. We are going there. Go. This is the main Varkala beach and we need to have something, so we are just going for amazing steps here. Oh my god, it's too tough to go up. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, some more. Hey guys, so we just having our dinner, early dinner. We ordered pepper chicken, chicken popcorn, fried rice, french fries, and this is our beach view. Hey guys, we have had our dinner here, Cafe de Mars. Now we are going to our resort. The evening was good, you can see that's the sea beach. Really had a good time. The food was great, tasty and fresh. This is kind of shopping and food restaurant all over this Varkala beach, which I liked. It's happening place. Good morning from Varkala. So it's around 7 o'clock and it's raining heavily today. You can see it's raining. The property, Hindustan retreat, it's a 4-star property. The property looks good. They have nice swimming pool with a view of beach. This is a sitting area and you can watch and enjoy the beach from your room. Also, this is the balcony and you can see it's raining heavily. I'm not sure you are able to see this. Yeah, so it's raining heavily and we'll go for a breakfast after sometimes. The hotel looks good. Hey guys, we're going for breakfast and that's in the top floor. I think that's the rooftop. This is the restaurant. It's raining outside actually. কেউ তো আসেনি. The view from the restaurant is really good. Hey guys, this is the breakfast available today. Idli, coconut chutney, aloo paratha, curd, pickle, sambar, steamed banana. That's the Kerala local food. Medu vada, boiled egg, fruits, and there dosa or anything if you want to order, or the omelets, breads, butter, flex tea, grape juice and banana milkshake. Hot milk, hot water, coffee. It's the conference hall, backside, and the parking area. What's the backside? I don't think so. That's the hotel parking lot. This is our breakfast table. And this is a view from the restaurant balcony. This is an awesome view. I mean, if it's a season, I mean the sky is clean. You can see that view should be really nice. Hey guys, it's time to check out. This is Hindustan Beach Retreat and this is the 4-star property. The property is really good. The view is really good. This is awesome view you can see from the direct sea view. all of these rooms are all sea view. They have two kind of room. One is premium and one is standard room. So this is a premium room. We upgraded it with some amount. I'll tell you about the details. And the breakfast was good. It's not much items are there, but the taste is good. Also guys, I'll talk about the tariff. So the tariff is 5,610 rupees for a standard room with breakfast. We upgraded it to premium room, so that comes around 6,210 rupees. Yep. And hotel is clean, not very much clean, but you cannot complain about this hotel, about the cleanness. Reception was good. We have bit problem with the reception just because Make My Trip didn't confirm them, so that's the problem, but they have sorted out with this. You can stay here if you are in Varkala. You can stay here. The main beach is about around half kilometer walking distance, which is very nearby. You can go there, do the shopping, eat, and there are many restaurants. The food was really good yesterday night. We just had our dinner over there. I have shown it to you. So yeah, that's pretty much. I think you guys enjoy this video. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe our channel. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Bye bye. Hey guys, this morning we are going to check out. This is the swimming pool. This is the hotel. The pool is really nice, and you can see that's the beach. It's bit of a high, top.